Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the Credit Assassins team. Guys, thank you for being here today. Today the clip is going to be very short because I want to get to the point. This is hack number 4 of daily hacks that we actually putting out, and I want to talk to you about an act that was put together by, you like it, you love him, President Trump back in March of 2020. He enacted or was able to actually put an act called the CARES Act. So before we continue, and I want to talk to you a little more about that. It's going to be a nutshell, a nugget. I want to make sure that if you need help today, let's help you. Now, guys, this is your first time on our channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Make sure that you actually click on all. So like that, you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. And guys, we come to you daily. More 1, 2, 3 times sometimes, depending on the content that we have. But we come to you daily, even on Sundays. So guys, hey, at the same time, give me the thumbs up. This is going to help us out with the algorithms, so make sure that we take this content to many more people. We not only want to help you, but want to help many other, because we want to make sure that you have a better future. You actually create your own legacy and take charge and control of your finances through credit. But guys, hey, look, let's talk about the CARES Act. So the CARES Act is an act that was enacted back in 2020, sorry, March 13, 2020. I was gonna say 2013, no, March 13, 2020, which the act was supposed to take care of you because of COVID. We all been through the pandemic. We coming out a little, we still have some residual of the pandemic, but back then things were in a real bind. People lost their job, people couldn't pay bills. So this act, what the act did was help you out to make sure that if you went and got a late payment, you were able to actually work with the creditor, and the creditor had to, by law, by the act, work with you, not report, not affect your credit, because guess what? You couldn't do it. We couldn't do it. Don't get me wrong, I was there too. So this is why I found out what the CARES Act is. One of the things that we did is we took the CARES Act and we went to our attorneys. We started working on a proprietary letter that we want to provide you. Now, one thing that I want to do is I want to show you that at the same time, because of that act, President Biden also extended that act because the Omicron strength of COVID. So it was extended by President Biden to mean right now you can definitely use it. So what we did, we took the CARES Act, we dissected, we figured out what it meant, how it can help you, help me, help the person next to me. And I used it for myself. I had a couple late payments back then, which I got removed. Not only that, a lot of our clients, a lot of our customers also take charge and have used this and benefit from it. So what we did, we call it the cover letter. The cover letter is the letter that we actually worked out to help you. Now, if you have any late payments from them from let's say March 2020 to now, there is a way that you don't even have to go to the credit bureaus. You could go directly to the creditor and work out a payment plan, which they're gonna have to either, if they report it, they have to take that reporting back, because yes, they say that they have a system in which they are able to report to the credit bureaus. They also have the same system which they are able to retrieve. So it's called the e-Oscar. So the e-Oscar is the system in which they have in order to report either late payments, any type of accounts, anytime they reconcile your accounts, or every month, anytime they report anything on your credit or on your account to the credit bureaus. That's the system they have. So yes, don't let the creditor fool you, because a lot of them tell you no, we cannot do it. It's just laziness, pure laziness, because they don't want to help you. They don't want to go the extra mile. So I just want to make sure that you become dangerous enough, just like a sniper. I teach you to be a credit sniper. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have it in the scope, and you know what you are looking for, you know what you're aiming, so that you'll be successful. So guys, look, I'm only going to do this. This is part of a course. It's called the cover letter. If you are interested in this, the first five people that call us. So the number is going to be right here. It's 516-600-0127. 516-600 01 to 7. I forgot my number for a minute. That was funny. But first 5 people, you'll get into the course, plus you get this letter. The letter is going to help you to actually remove your late payments as soon as possible. And there's another tricks of the trade that we have on the course that not only going to help you to remove late payments, but guys, we could help you remove a lot of the negatives, inquiries, trade lines. Look, you name it. We have so many things in this course that I want to make sure that I give you all the tools so that you can build your house, because this is where you want to go. I know that if you are here today, it's because you need help. Guys, this was one of the hacks that we have in order to stage your credit, in order to build your credit so you could get massive results and massive lending. Guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for being here with us today. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am the Credit Assassin. Guys, one thing that I want to make sure you do, and I want to remind you, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you click on the bell icon, and give me the thumbs up. I appreciate your time. Until the next time, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega, and I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top?